Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I wanted to get you in on the beginning of this floor operation that we do. It's very unique. There's not probably anyone that does a floor like this out there in an RV. So what we're doing here is we've got several layers that really mean something to this floor and keeping it waterproof, insulated, and very quiet and stable to walk on. So here we've got a Darco material that they lay down first. This is on the bottom of the floor. Then they put a reflective barrier. This is for any kind of radiant heat that would want to come through. This stops that and reflects that off there. It also has a little bit of an R value to it. Then they put a batting insulation on top of that, and this is where the frame actually rests on top of this batting. Then once that frame is put on top, they're going to stuff all the cavities with another layer of insulation. So you're getting a very well insulated floor and also a very sturdy floor. It's a welded cage aluminum construction, and it ends up to be, once they put the plywood tongue and groove that you would put in a normal house on there, you've got a 3-inch floor going on top of that chassis. So I just wanted to bring you in on the beginning of this floor installation to give you an idea of the value of insulation and sturdiness. So I'll catch up with this and give you some more updates as this floor progresses. So give us a call, ask us about our floors, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.